Square Payroll is a full-service solution for small businesses, handling W-2/1099 payments, tax filings, and compliance. It's integrated with Square POS for seamless time card and tip imports. Available in 48 U.S. states. Pricing, $6 per employee per month, plus $5 per contractor, full service. Sign up via squareup.com/payroll. Sign up, log in to your Square dashboard. Staff, payroll, get started. Provide business info, EIN, address, tax ID. Verify authorized signer and link bank for payments and filings. Add team, payroll, team, add employee and contractor. Enter details, name, SSN, address, pay rate. Invite via email for self-onboarding. Requires bank info for direct deposit. Set pay schedule, payroll, settings, choose frequency, weekly or bi-weekly. Enable auto payroll if desired. Runs by 8 p.m. PT for next day deposits. Configure deductions and benefits. Team, edit employee. Add withholdings, for example, health, 401k. Set up commissions and tips via POS integration. Verify and test. Link bank via Plaid. Apply for 2-day processing if eligible. Usage steps. Run payroll. Payroll. Pay employees. Start run. Confirm period date. Import hours, tips, commissions, preview, approve.
Pays via direct deposit or check. Year end. Auto-generates W-2s and 1099s. Employees access via dashboard.
Mobile. Use Square Team app for on-the-go runs.